Hey there, Taurus Love fam. It's your girl, Avelina, back with another episode filled with fun, fabulous insights, and, of course, all things Taurus. You know how much I adore diving into the world of astrology to uncover all those, aha, that's so Taurus moments, right? Well, today's topic is no exception. We're tackling a question that has been popping up quite a bit lately. Why do Taurus men seem to prioritize material possessions over emotional connections? So, buckle up and hold on to your horoscopes, because we're about to uncover the mysteries of the Taurus dilemma. So, you found yourself in a relationship with a Taurus man, and you can't help but wonder, Avelina, why is he so obsessed with his stuff? Don't worry, lovely. We're going to take a close look at the key traits of our beloved Taurus folks and see what makes them tick. You probably know that Taurus people are loyal, dependable, hardworking, and, of course, oh so stubborn. But it's also important to remember that they can be materialistic, possessive, and sometimes even a little self-indulgent. It's a mixed bag for sure, but hey, isn't everyone a little complex? Now, the main thing to understand about Taurus men is that they're ruled by Venus, the planet of love, beauty, and, you guessed it, possessions. Venus has a significant impact on their personality, influencing both their romantic and materialistic sides. It's true that Venus is all about love and romance, but when it comes to Taurus men, the material aspect of this lovely planet tends to take center stage. And it's not just about indulging in materialistic pleasures, they simply adore the finer things in life and can't help but get excited about them. Imagine this, you're at a romantic dinner with your Taurus man, and out of the blue, he starts gushing about his new car, or that expensive watch he's been eyeing for weeks. It's not that he doesn't care about you or the intimate moment you're sharing, he's just genuinely passionate about his material interests. Another essential factor to consider is that Taurus is an earth sign, which means they crave stability and security. And what's the most tangible way for them to achieve that? You guessed it, by accumulating stuff. All those new gadgets, designer clothes, or swanky apartments aren't just for show. They're a Taurus man's way of feeling secure and grounded in the world. They love knowing that they've built a stable foundation for themselves and their loved ones. Now, let's be real for a moment, folks. Just because your Taurus man loves his possessions doesn't mean he's emotionally unavailable or incapable of love. In fact, Taurus folks are known for their deep emotions and unwavering loyalty in relationships. It's just that they might not express their feelings in the same way as other zodiac signs. Instead of wearing their heart on their sleeve, a Taurus man might show love through gestures like buying you a thoughtful gift or treating you to a luxurious getaway. It's their unique way of expressing their emotions and connecting with you on a deeper level. So how do you find the balance between love and materialism in your relationship with a Taurus man? Communication is key. Talk openly with your Taurus man about your needs and desires, and be sure to express how much you appreciate his gestures while emphasizing your need for emotional connection. Remember, he might not even realize he's coming across as materialistic, so a gentle nudge can work wonders in opening up the lines of communication. If you're looking to strengthen the emotional bond with your Taurus man, here are a few more tips to help you out. 1. Explore shared interests. Find hobbies or activities you both enjoy, which can bring you closer together without the focus being on material possessions. This can be anything from hiking and exploring the great outdoors to discovering a shared love for painting or photography. 2. Cultivate emotional intimacy. Make a conscious effort to deepen your emotional connection. Set aside regular time for deep conversations, share your dreams and fears, and truly listen to one another. This helps you both understand each other better and fosters a more profound bond. 3. Surprise him with acts of love. While Taurus men love material gestures, they also appreciate acts of love that don't cost a thing. Write him a heartfelt letter, give him a massage, or plan a special surprise just because. These thoughtful acts can create a strong emotional connection that goes beyond materialism. The Taurus man's materialistic side doesn't mean he's not capable of love and emotional connection. It's all about understanding his nature, communicating your needs, and finding the balance between love and materialism. Remember, every relationship requires effort and understanding, and with a little patience and communication, you can build a strong, loving bond with your Taurus man. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Taurus Love for more fun, witty, and insightful astrology content. I'm Avelina, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, stay fabulous and keep exploring the wonderful world of astrology.